Welcome to Chisholm Trail 61. Today we're going to be doing an old-fashioned favorite. It's a really more of a holiday dish than anything, but I like it as a side dish just on the regular meal. So I'm going to be showing you how to fix that. It's called an old-fashioned corn pudding, and I'm going to show you how to do that coming up right now. Okay, I'm going to give you the ingredients as we go along. Start off with, we got 4 eggs in the bowl here. We're going to beat them up. Just get them beat up real well. To that, we're going to be adding 1 cup of milk. Now you can use any milk. You can use cream or whole milk or 2%, whatever milk you want. We're going to mix that in. And then we got 4 tablespoons of melted butter. We're going to mix that in. And in the bowl here, I have 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. I have 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and a half a teaspoon of salt. I'm just going to mix that together some because that baking soda will clump up on you if you just put it in there by itself. So you want to mix that together first before you put it in. That way it won't clump up so bad. It may still clump up a little bit, but it won't lump up as near as bad. So we're just going to mix that in. Just try to mix it a little bit at a time there until we get it mixed in. That way all that won't lump up as bad, near as bad. And then we got to add the star of the show. We got 1 can of cream style corn going in. And then we got 1 can of whole kernel corn drained. Be sure you drain your whole kernel corn, because if you don't drain your whole kernel corn, chances are your corn pudding won't set up. So we're going to dump our whole can of whole kernel corn in. And we're going to mix it up well. Now I got my oven preheated 350 degrees. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to slide some of this over out of the way, and I'm going to get my baking dish here. This is an 8 by 11 baking dish, casserole dish, 8 by 11. It's been sprayed with a cooking spray. You want to grease it with butter, cooking spray, something, so it doesn't stick as your corn pudding don't stick to it. And we're just going to dump it out and sort of spread it around there, to be sure you get your corn spread it around in there all over it. Now I like to take and go back and just sort of stir it just to be sure that I got my corn all over it there. And what we're going to do, we're going to put this in the oven for 45 minutes to 1 hour until it sets good and the top gets lightly brown. And we'll bring you back at that point. Okay, we took our corn casserole out. You can see this is sort of what I was talking about, just lightly brown. You don't want it to, get dark brown, because if you do, it'll burn. You can see that it's sort of trying to crisp around the edge and pull away there. And what we're going to do, we're going to just cut us a little piece here and out of it, and we're going to try to get it out. We just took this out of the oven, and then really it probably needs to sit here and cool for a little bit, but wanted to go ahead and show y'all what it looked like here. See what I'm talking about? How it's done all the way through. It's thickened up. It's set good. Now, if you don't drain your whole kernel corn when you make this, it won't set like that. The bottom is going to be runny, and it's never going to set up like that. So don't forget, if you use canned corn, don't forget to drain your whole kernel corn. Your cream style you can just put in there, but your whole kernel you need to drain. So this is really hot, but we're gonna try to sneak us a bite of it anyway, just to see what it tastes like. You see the corn and stuff in it. I'm gonna blow it just for a second here before I take a bite of it. I don't want to scald my tongue. I want to eat supper here, and then if I scald my tongue, I may not be able to eat. Ooh, that's hot. But it is good though. I mean, it's not dry. It's really, really moist. You can taste the corn in it. It's really not really a sweet dish, but it's a what I consider a side dish. Like I said, people have it a lot on the holidays, around Thanksgiving and Christmas. But I really like it just for a side dish. I could eat this. Feel like I could eat this whole pan by myself right now. But anyway, we're gonna close this video out so we can go ahead and eat. Try this. You'll really enjoy it. This is a real simple recipe. Doesn't take long. I think I actually left mine in the oven for about an hour, but my oven cooks a little bit slower than a lot of ovens. So be sure you check it about 45 minutes, and then, watch it. It should be done within an hour anyway. But if you would, give the video a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to our channel. We appreciate those of you that do. We appreciate those of you that take the time out of your day to watch our videos. And we'll see you on the next one.